So students, this question came in summer 20 and it came in paper 1. This is question number 20, and you know that this is about inverse proportion, and it is given as y is inversely proportional to the square root of x, to the square root of x. It means that it is y equal k over, because it is inverse, so k over square root x. Y is inversely proportional to the square root of x. So as you know that a table is given, and in table the first column, in first column we have the values of x and y. So this is 4 and 3. So these values, because in next columns you see that one unknown is given, this is unknown, this is unknown, and this is the only column in which both the values of x and y are given. So this column we will use to find out the value of k. So here the x is 4, y is 3. So we will write down x as 4 and y as 3, and you know that the square root of 4 is 2, so it is k over 2 and 3. So multiply 2 with 3 and it will become 6. So k is equal to 6. So the value of k is the first thing which you need to find out. Okay, so this value now we will be using to find out the values of unknown, the value of c we have to find out, and the value of d we have to find out. So this is basically 6. So we will now put this value 6 here in this equation, 6 here, and now we will be finding the values of unknown. So as you know that first we have to find out the value of c, that is the that belongs to y. So we will substitute y as c equal 6 over value of x is 9, so square root 9. So it will be 6 over the square root of 9 is 3. So 3 2s are 6. So the value of c is equal to 2. So this is the value of c. Now let's find the value of d. So when you will find the value of d, you know that you will, because the relation we have y equals to 6 over square root x, and this time d we have to find out which belong to x. So we will write it as 6 over square root d, and the value of y is 0.6. Now you can multiply this square root d with the 0.6 and it will become 0.6 times by square root d equals to 6, and then you can write it as square root d equal 6 over 0.6, and to remove this decimal we multiply it by 10, because it is one decimal place, so we multiply by 10, we multiply by 10 in the numerator and the denominator. So it will become 60 and it will become 6 and is equal to 10. 6 tens are 60. So it means square root d is equal to 10. As you know that we have to remove this square root, so we will take square on both sides, square on both sides. So this square and square root will cancel each other, it will become d equals to 100. So this is the answer of the question for d. So take care.